I come out here to the van today, got kind of bored, so I thought I would put this two-way or three-way switch on for the headlights. So here's what I got. This is a switch somebody's put on it for a auxiliary cooling fan on the front of the radiator. So I just took the wires from it and hooked up to my LED lights. And of course, I only have amber working right now, but I'm going to run another wire so I can move it to clear also. So that's the reason I got this. And I probably could do it with that switch, but I don't like that. That's some crap I used back in the day. So I'm gonna change it to this, which I know some of y'all gonna say, well, that's more heavy duty than this. Well, it's LED. Who gives a shit? But look what they did. All three wires coming to it is red. The ground is red. Put right there. Man, I ain't no electrician. I ain't nowhere the best with doing wiring on a vehicle, but damn it, I know when to run a black wire for a ground. But that's kind of stuff I get. That's what I get for trying to do something on a Sunday. Okay, I got it hooked up. Yeah, I know. I fussed somebody ago about somebody running a ground with a red wire. I made a little end for ground, ended up not needing it because of this switch. Headlights will ground through the plug ECM, but so I got hot coming in here to the center, and then my clear and my amber lights. So I got it. I'm gonna leave it all like this because I'm gonna get some loom from O'Reilly's tomorrow when I leave work and come and fix it all like it's supposed to be. But this is what I got, and I got to redo my fuse too. See, it's still not working. The fuse is messed up. It's corroded or something. You could wiggle it and then they come on. That's what I wanted to switch for, because there's one side of them headlights, or not side, the same thing, or clear and other amber. Damn it. I'm gonna fix that right now, I think, if I got another fuse holder. But you see, I'm gonna have to replace that whole end right there. But yeah, I like it. I got some wheels I'm picking up this week, I hope. So I'm gonna get back on it here, there. I was hoping to have insurance and tags on it by end of the year, but I want to get the front dry shaft made before I do all of that. So, but that's what I did today. Come out here on a Sunday, and I have a bunch of these fuses I could use, but I ended up going through my connectors and stuff and found a 15 amp fuse to put in it. So I'm just going to leave that on there, but I am going to cut this crap off and put heat shrink connectors on it. But that's for another day. It's cloudy and it's cool, and I'm ready to go in and drink me a cup of coffee. So see you.